SmartBackup is a powerful backup solution purpose-built for Smartsheet. It enables seamless creation of both online and offline backups for your sheets, dashboards, and reports, ensuring fast and effortless recovery from any data loss. In this short video, I will give you a demonstration of the SmartBackup Console user interface. The home screen provides a clear overview of your SmartBackup environment, showing overall status and key summaries. It highlights information about members, vaults, and queues, and offers direct access to launch the live copy and shadow copy functions. In addition, the home screen presents other valuable details about the solution, including housekeeping services and system insights, giving you a centralized location for monitoring and managing SmartBackup. The Members screen displays a complete list of Smartsheet members managed by SmartBackup, along with both their Smartsheet status and SmartBackup status. From this screen, you can refresh the member list, update individual member statuses, and access each member's dedicated SmartBackup vault. The Settings screen allows you to configure key SmartBackup functions. From here, you can manage live copy for online backups, shadow copy for offline backups, JobCentral for notifications and alerts, and automations for housekeeping services. This centralized configuration page ensures that all SmartBackup features are tailored to your environment and operate seamlessly together. In addition to the SmartBackup console, administrators will be able to set up and configure their own custom JobCentral dashboard. The JobCentral dashboard is an all-new monitoring solution built directly within Smartsheet, providing a real-time view of SmartBackup's heartbeat status, job logs, and customized notifications and alerts across all functions and features. At its core is the blueprint, the engine powering the JobCentral solution, which includes a master tracker sheet, dashboard, reports, and supporting helper sheets. Together, these elements deliver a centralized hub for monitoring, managing, and optimizing your SmartBackup environment. If you're not yet using SmartBackup, we offer a free, no-obligation 30-day trial of the full product for you to install and test in your own environment to make sure that it works for your needs. Feel free to contact us to get started. Visit our website at www.AcuWorkflow.com for more information. Thanks for watching.